the Global NFT Summit, the world's biggest online NFT summit in the year of the NFT. What are NFT, digital arts, blockchain, this strange stuff? But this is very important for the artists of tomorrow. And we discovered that 500 years ago, in this document here, we will find some very strange stuff. This is a smart contract, like the NFT, of Leonardo da Vinci. 500 years ago, he faced the same problems of today. Same problem about how to be paid, how can I learn from my art, what are the copyright problems, the same stuff. The history keep repeating. So we will discover this inside the books of Leonardo. Leonardo da Vinci is my inspiration of my digital arts that I'm doing like Neo 3. But the very incredible things that to understand is that we for sure know that Leonardo da Vinci is dead, and we have to find the new Leonardo da Vinci in ourselves, in our children. The most important part is that we have to learn from the past to become better artists, and we will discover that NFT technology will help for sure us and will help the future generation. My name is Mario Taddei. I get inspired by Leonardo da Vinci. It's more than 30 years that I studied, but I am also a digital artist, and I think that NFT technology is the key to change everything, and we will discover this in the summit, and I will open with this lecture the world most biggest online NFT summit.